Unit 9, we're gonna learn about the fifth chord. As you know, C chord is from the tonic, and then the fifth chord is dominant. Usually, it's coming from the G chord, and usually we put a spice which is the 7. But for beginners to go from here to here, it's gonna be very tricky. So we create a shortcut. We just find a similar note, one of these. So for example, the closest to your left hand is actually F, C chord 2. The common note is G, and then your 7 is the F. That's why these stick together. Second is actually come from G7 chord. London Symphony, C5 fingers position. Ready, set, go. G, F, D, F, E, C, G, G, D, E, C, D, G, F, D, F, E, C, G,